Hey YouTube, I decided to open up the Decades first, and I'm going to go with that next weekend. So I didn't look at the cards yet, I just opened the packaging right there. It comes in this container. So let's see what we get. The first card is C56 of this player I don't know, P. Lindbergh of Philadelphia. So, second card, Decades rookie, Dale Hawerchuk. Kinda cool. There's the back. I'll read it later. Paul Coffey, Decades. So the next three cards should be jerseys, and after that, three autographs. Cool. Whoa, what the hell is this? Awesome. Decades Rick Middleton gold version. I don't know what that means. It might be numbered low. 3-color, cool. Next card, Dougie Gilmore. Game used jersey, silver. I don't know why it says rookie on it. Guess I'll check out the back. During his St. Louis. So I guess when he was a rookie he wore this. Right on. Actually, here's the back of this card if you want to read it. Boston Bruins jersey. Cool, cool. What do we have here? Anders Hedberg. Don't know him. New York jersey. Cool, read about him later. Autographs. Ruining. It's slippery. Okay. Gary Lehman, not too sure who he is. Barry Pearson, don't know him either. I knew these autographs wouldn't be dope. Oh, okay, well that guy's cool. I know Grand Fuhrer. Awesome. 1 out of 3. Well, that was not bad, I guess. Thanks for watching, and join me next weekend when I open up that guy. Cheers.